Let's get funky. I'm still visiting Arizona. As you can see, I don't have my typical background, but I have some big news I wanted to drop today that I could not wait until I got back to my house. Now, I'm gonna make this quick. I gotta go visit my niece and my nephews here soon, so let's dive right in. I am looking for 3 apprentices, 3 beautiful souls to be my apprentice, learn how to make subliminals. Alright? This is going to be a 4-week course, or just about 30 days. It's going to be on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. 3 days a week. And this is going to last 60 minutes. 1 hour each for each lesson. Now, if we start asking questions, or you guys start asking me questions, it might go for about 90 minutes. Now, 3 apprentices, you have to be over the age of 16. You have to be over the age of 16 at least. And it's going to be 7 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. Now, if you don't know what Mountain Standard Time is, that time zone is, then you need to go to Google and you need to look up Mountain Standard Time. And when you look up Mountain Standard Time, you'll find out what time it is. It's going to be 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock at night, 7 p.m. at night, Mountain Standard Time. And the reason for this is because we have a lot of viewers from India, a lot of viewers from the Middle East. Just about over half of our, subscribers are from foreign countries. Now, it's very important that you have these days free. Now, this is going to start next month. And right now we are in March, so pull up your calendar with me and go to April in your calendar, right? Go to April, and we have April right here. We have April 12th. This is going to start on April 12th. And it's going to last for 30 days. So the applications are going to be open for 2 weeks. So you got 2 weeks to apply. Now, how do you apply? I am going to give you 2 choices depending on what you feel comfortable with. One is going to be you can apply through Facebook. Now, I prefer Facebook because I like to at least get to know a little bit more of who's applying. Now, there's also Google. Right, and we're going to get to know each other either way, right? This is going to be, like I said, 3 days a week for a month. For about an hour, hour and a half. So we're going to get to know each other anyways. But anyways, if you want to apply through Facebook, you can apply through Facebook. I'm going to put the link in the description and in the comments. And there's also by Gmail. Gmail, right? You can apply by Gmail. I'm going to put my Gmail in the comment section and in the description, and you can apply. Now, what do you do when you apply? I need you to record a video of you introducing yourself. It cannot be over 5 minutes long, and I know some of you like to talk, and you like to talk about yourself. So you got to decide what you're going to include in 5 minutes about yourself, and 2, in the 5 minutes you got to include why you want to be one of the 3 apprentices. Now, a lot of you are wondering, okay, how much is this going to cost? Well, it's not going to cost anything. Now, there's a catch, right? There's always a catch when something's for free. During the apprenticeship, or even after, I will ask you to make 5 subliminals each that are unique. And in order to graduate or become certified, right, to get your certificate that I'm going to give you, that you can put in your YouTube channel, or you can put on your wall or your resume, In order to complete the course or the apprenticeship, right, with your other 2 classmates or friends, you have got to make at least 5 subliminals. Now, these 5 subliminals, you can do whatever you want with them, but they're also going to go on Seiluke World. Now, this is going to help you, but also it's going to give also help me too. Right, for it's gonna be a back and forth, right? And not only, I feel too, the opportunity to make it free is going to help a lot of people that are very ambitious, very motivated and very passionate about this, but, you know, the moment I start charging, you know, 500, you know, $1,000, $3,000, I'm going to lose a lot of you passionate, ambitious people because, like I just said, I understand a lot of you are coming from India, or a lot of you are coming from, you know, maybe Pakistan or, you know, South America. So I understand that. But, like I said, I'm only going to choose 3 people. Now, if this was just whoever wants to come join can join, yeah, I'm going to charge. But I'm only going to pick 3 people. And like I said, in order to graduate, you got to make 5 subliminals, and I have to approve each of the 5. And they have to be unique. They have to be original. Now, I am going to teach you how to write affirmations. I am going to teach you how to make a subliminal. But you are able to change things up with your style, right? I know some people like to get cute, you know, a little cute with their, you know, their subliminal picture, or the, you know, the picture that they play during the video. They like to, you know, add text, and they like to add pretty colors and shapes and images, but I don't like that. I just like to one picture and really focus on the affirmations. Now, you'll have your choice of which way you want to go. So, like I said, 5-minute video introducing who you are, why you want to be one of the 3 apprentices, and above all, you have to be free. Like I said, next month, pull up your calendar. It's going to be April 12th for 30 days. It's going to be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, if there is a scheduling confliction, right? There's a reason why you can't make it at 7 Mountain Standard Time, you know, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, starting April 12th, then you need to tell me that in your application. And if all 3 people that I pick, right, are not available at that time, we're going to change it up to where all 3 people can be available. So you need to also put in your application if you can make it 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, starting April 12th. Or if you cannot, then you need to tell me which days you will. Does that make sense? So I look forward to teaching 3 of you. I am at the point, you know, after making over 400 subliminals, I'm starting to focus more on my book, that, you know, I'm pulling off a little bit. I'm focusing more on my book, and, you know, maybe once a week, you know, twice a week, doing a donation request or a paid request. And I'm very grateful for the generous amounts people have been donating when they do make a paid request. It's not your typical $15, $20 a subliminal donation request that, you know, people are doing. So I'm very grateful for that. So go ahead and apply. Like I said, it's time to start, you know, sharing the knowledge with some people we can trust here, to where we can help more people around the world, right? Because that's the goal here. That's the focus. So let's stay focused. Check out the links in the description. Check out the links in the comments if you want to apply.